Dear colleagues, dear Commissioner Hahn, what do Lukashenko, Assad, and Kim Jong-un have in common? Well, they're all three autocrats. They hate free media, they hate our democracy, but they're also, since many years, members of the club, well, the annual list of the worst enemies of press freedom published by Reporters Without Borders. Since yesterday, there's a new member of this club, Viktor Orban. Let that sink in, that a prime minister in the European Union is now labeled a press freedom predator. And that in itself is scandalous, but it's even worse when you think about that unlike Lukashenko, unlike Assad, unlike Kim Jong-un, the European Union is actually not sanctioning him for his authoritarian behavior. So the Commission, you, Mr. Hahn, you have the tools to sanction him, but you refuse to act. You say we still need those guidelines, then we need to work on those cases. We have heard this now for 7 months, and the facts keep being created on the ground. I've said it before, the inaction is having a direct and severe effect on the situation in Hungary. So now there's a lot of Hungarian citizens that are eagerly waiting for those 7.2 billion euros of recovery money that is scheduled to come in. They want to save their businesses, they want to invest in the future. But you know that the management of EU funds in Hungary is dismal. You know that more than half the tenders only have a single bidder, and that far too often this is a friend, a family member of Viktor Orban that is winning those tenders. You know that when corruption is actually uncovered, that the prosecutors don't pick it up, because Orban controls the prosecution. In those rare cases where a case does make it in front of a judge, courts that have been stacked by Viktor Orban with his allies, they throw the cases out, they don't punish those that steal our taxpayer money on an industrial scale. So Commissioner Hahn, we have to stop this charade. We have to stop this postponing, the tweaking of internal rules and guidelines. We need to use the rule of law conditionality. Let's do that now.